We can think of concepts lying on a spectrum. On one extreme end are extremely formal concepts for which we can define logical conditions that are necessary and sufficient for that concept. We'll examine that in more detail in just a minute. On the other end of the spectrum are less formal concepts for which it's hard to define necessary and sufficient conditions. Now, here are 3 points on the spectrum: axiomatic concepts, prototype concepts, exemplar concepts. There can be other types of concepts as well. We're just going to consider these 3 concepts because they are the 3 most common ones, and we'll look at each one of them in turn. In general, humans find it easier to communicate about these axiomatic concepts because they are well defined. There is a set of necessary and sufficient conditions that we all agree with. Examples are mathematical concepts. Humans find it harder to communicate about prototype concepts, but most of the time we do quite well. It's even harder to talk about exemplar concepts like, let's say, beauty or freedom. Similarly, it's easier to teach computers about axiomatic concepts, to program axiomatic concepts into computers. It's much harder to program or teach prototype concepts and much harder to teach or program exemplar type concepts.